welcome back to another Tooth Thursday. Okay, I am Marcia, and today I'll be speaking about the topic, which is very nice and simple: whitening. Why is it you like to have your teeth whitened? Alright, so in our office what we do, the whitening, the process is very nice and simple. Okay, so it's two sets of gel that we put on the teeth. It's very nice and simple, as I said before. Okay, so what the whitening is. The whitening actually, what it does, it goes in the enamel of the teeth and it takes the stain from the teeth. Because of the food that we eat, the drink that we normally drink, wine, if you're a fan of coffee and the chocolate, stuff like that, it actually stains the teeth. So what the whitening does, it goes into the enamel of the teeth and it basically removes the staining from the teeth. It's a nice and easy process. So what we do is have you do two sets of impressions, one on the upper and the lower. And this impression is to make your customized trays, and this customized trays is what you're going to continue doing at home. Okay, so it's two sets of gel on the teeth. It stays there for two sets of 20 minutes. So we rinse first set, 20 minutes, rinse, reapply another 20 minutes. It's nice and simple. So we also have barriers at the gum lines, so the barriers prevent the gum from the gel getting on the teeth. What it does, it goes in the enamel of the teeth and it removes the stain. We also we check the shade, which is the color of your teeth before and after. So for example, you're like an A2, when we're finished with your whitening, it should actually go one shade down, which makes it an A1. So we do impressions after, and these impressions are to make your customized trays, and you're going to continue doing it at home for another 8 days. The only disadvantage or side effect of the whitening is that for some patients, the teeth tends to get a little sensitive. However, not to worry about the sensitivity. The sensitivity only lasts for the day. If you do the whitening in the morning, by the end of the day, you should be back to normal. You can go ahead and eat whatever you want to eat. Also, during the process of the whitening, we ask you not to eat like a lot of curry or stuff like that during the process of the whitening. The trays will be ready the following days. It's very nice and simple. So I can show you guys exactly what the trays look like. The impressions that we're going to be taking, it will look like this, and it shows the entire arch of the mouth. Also, the trays are like this. The trays are nice and simple, and the trays are made in our office as well. So please feel free to call, comment on the bottom there. Our number is 978-4747. Thanks for joining me today. So we'll see you next week for another Tooth Thursday. Thank you guys. Thank you.